मैंने पूरा अप्रैल वेस्ट कर दिया. This is so beautiful. This is how life have become now. Yes. I have finally cleaned everything. And मैं जोकर नहीं लग रही हूँ. It's result month. Are you scared? I'm gonna give you guys a study table tour. पहली बार ये अपने जीवन में बोल रही हूँ. Dumb girl. इतना गंदा क्यों है? I am in a delusion. Keeping it back. Shit. It does not seem like that. How long can you hold? Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are doing really good. I'm back home finally after a trip of literally straight 8 days. मैं पूरे 8 दिन अपने रूम में नहीं थी and इसी वजह से मेरी रूम की हालत इतनी ज़्यादा गंदी हो गई है. Anyways, it's finally April ending and May starting. Like मैं बस start ही होने वाला. It's result month. Are you scared? I'm even scared. I'm scared more than you guys. So don't worry, we'll all make it. I have so much to study. Not to study, but I have so much to figure out what to study. Like to study, what are the things that I need to do? Which books that I need to read? Which movies that I need to watch? So many stuff. So if you're new here, you can subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have not followed me on Instagram, you can go and follow me. And so basically, I am in a delusion that my boards have just ended, but it's going to be 2 months. I'm in delusional that my boards have just ended and I should have fun in my life, but that is not what the scenario should be. I should be studying or doing something productive, and I think that is what we are going to figure out in this video, that whether we should study to waste our April month. So what is the next step that we should take, and yeah, a lot more. So you're not the only one who is confused. I am confused too. So the first task that I'm gonna do is to clean. Sorry, because I cannot live in such a mess. I need to clean this. I have finally cleaned everything. Yes, I did clean my study table. I also arranged my wardrobe. I also cleaned this area. And ये जो मेरा पूरा bag सफारी का shit भरा पड़ा था, उसको मैंने पूरा खाली कर दिया है. Yeah, I did. Shoelace time. Good morning guys. Very good morning. I have woken up but I have not taken shower, but I still look like yes. तो रात को I was editing and then I slept. I the vlog soon. सब बोल रहे हैं vlogs डाल नहीं रहे हो, vlogs डाल नहीं रहे हो. ट्रिप के आएंगे vlogs भी आएंगे. You know what? Life after boards have become so slow. This is how life have become now. I need to clean. मतलब मैं सफाई कर रही हूँ जब से. I need to clean this because मैं सफारी का बैग अपनी ट्रिप पे लेके गई थी. ज़्यादा ही धूल हो गई है इसमें. Yeah. So I finally cleaned this. Now it's time for this. This is basically some sort of water जिसमें या तो नमक है या चीनी है, I don't know. But no, this is given to me to drink it properly. इतना गंदा क्यों है? मुझे लगा था ये अच्छा होगा. So if you are someone who is going to give CLAT after class 12, I had once thought कि मैं भी CLAT दूंगी, but now not. So I have something really exciting to share with you all. PW have come up with their CLAT के batches. So the batch is CLAT Kaksha 2026 batches. So if I tell you the features of these classes is that कि सिर्फ 50 students will be there in one class so that you can interact with the teacher very clearly. You will also get access to CLAT Rank Boost 2020-26. You will also get mentorship from NLUITs. You will also get 50 full-length mock tests, then PYQs and Khazana features. Also एक special feature है which is CLAT Kit, जिसमें आपको कुछ offline mock tests मिलेंगे, then flashcards मिलेंगे, then printed notes मिलेंगे. So these will be available. And you know what? The schedules are going to be really clear. If you are a dropper, then morning batch will be best for you. If you are someone from school or college, like from school like me, so you can join the evening batches. So it is a really good opportunity for you all who are going to give CLAT. All this will be just in 29,999. Also, if you use my coupon code this, so you'll get some extra discount of rupees 3,000. So yeah, go use. Link is in the description box. You can go enroll yourself in those batches and study hard and be the next NLUIDs. So basically, हो क्या रहा है इज दैट वाई आई एम सेइंग कि मैंने पूरा अप्रैल वेस्ट कर दिया इज बिकॉज आई हैव स्टडीड नथिंग, लाइक लिटरली मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा है एंड आई हैव नॉट इवन फिगर्ड आउट व्हाट आई नीड टू स्टडी। वेल आई एम क्लियर कि मुझे कौन सी एग्जाम देनी है, मैंने उस एग्जाम के बारे में बताया भी है। सो इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच माई प्रीवियस वीडियो प्लीज वॉच, क्योंकि मैं हर वीडियो में नहीं बताऊंगी मैं कौन सी एग्जाम देने वाली हूँ। बट या दिस इज व्हाट द थिंग इज कि मैंने पूरा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया है। लाइक अगर आप देखोगे कि पढ़ रहे हैं, मतलब जेई एस्पिरेंट्स आर लिटरली स्टडिंग, देन नीट एस्पिरेंट्स हैव स्टार्टेड टू स्टडी, दे हैव जॉइंड देयर कोचिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड दे आर स्टडिंग, and I am this dumb girl who have not even figured out. So basically इतनी सारी बातें करने का पर्पस ये था कि I am going to study in the month of May. I think कि मैं कभी पहली बार ही अपने जीवन में बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे मई में पढ़ना है, बिकॉज मैंने पूरा मंथ अप्रैल पूरा वेस्ट कर दिया। मैं स्कूल भी नहीं गई हूँ बिकॉज ट्रिप पे चली गई थी, फिर मैं आई वेंट एट माई मामूज प्लेस। सो यू नो मैंने लिटरली कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है एंड मेरा स्कूल का वर्क भी इनकम्प्लीट है। सो इन द मंथ ऑफ मे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी फॉर अ बिट, क्योंकि मई में बहुत टाइम होता है, मस्ती करने का भी बहुत टाइम होता है, एंड देन व्हेन यू डोंट गो टू स्कूल यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू स्टडी एज वेल। सो या दिस इज समथिंग। सो इफ यू आर ऑल्सो confused, take a pen and paper, decide which exam that you will be preparing for, and then I think take out some time in month of May and things will all get on the right place. You just need to work, and that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say. What I'm believing is कि मेरा अभी basically जो काम चल रहा है is to clean everything. Like I also need to clean these slippers जो कि बहुत गंदी हो गई है. So yeah, I have so much stuff to do. You know what? Abhi I have decided that I'll put 100% this on YouTube, like how past months have been not so good. So I'm gonna put my 100% towards it. I know what are my mistakes and I need to correct them or not to make them again. So if you want some specific content from my side, you are free to comment. I will respect your comment. I'm gonna give you guys a study table tour, and yeah, let's come. Okay, so this is my study table. This is basically the study table. इतना सारा stuff है मेरी study table पर, and then this is the drawer. Okay, so मेरी पूरी 10th निकल गई, मैंने study table पर इतनी पढ़ाई करी, but I have never ever given you guys a study table tour, and I felt like I should give one. So yeah, let's start. Firstly, I need to set my camera. Okay, I probably think that I'm visible clearly, and मैं जोकर नहीं लग रही हूँ. I don't know. So starting off with this part. So यहाँ पर I have some books. I have read a very few books till now. So some of them are here and then some of them are here. ठीक है, उसके बाद there is this pen stand kind of thing जिसमें मैंने कुछ revision notes वाले पेपर रखे हुए हैं, so that if I ever have to make anything note or something I can make and keep it here. Then the next thing that I have is these painted by me stuff जो कि बिल्कुल भी सुंदर नहीं दिख रहा है, but I'll still call them cute. Okay, then I have this calculator. इसका वैसे कोई यूज है नहीं, लाइक सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम पढ़ते टाइम आई यूज्ड टू डू दिस जब मुझे सिर्फ कंसेप्ट पर ध्यान देना था, कैलकुलेशंस पर नहीं. माय वाटर बॉटल दैट आई ऑलवेज कीप. देन दिस इज समथिंग फॉर डेकोरेशन, ये बहुत सुंदर लगता है, आर्टिफिशियल प्लांट. उसके बाद हियर इज दिस, ये हेडफोन्स विच आर नॉट चार्ज बट दे वर्क. देन दिस इज अगेन आई मेड दिस फ्रॉम क्ले एंड दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दिस, अगेन I painted this. इसकी हालत थोड़ी सी या खराब हो गई है. Here is this dog जो कि बहुत scary लगता है. This is something because it was made by my sister, so I'm keeping it here. Then this is a teddy gifted by one of my friend 3 years ago, and ये भी वर्क करता है, but मैंने इसको चार्ज नहीं कर रखा है, बस ऐसे ही रख रखा है. उसके बाद this is the space, like this is one of my rough register जो कि रखा हुआ है, so that if I work so I have one. Then here is my lamp जो कि Flipkart से I have ordered ones, not me, my father ordered this for me and yeah, it's very helpful. Then these are Boat के earpods जो कि was gifted by Diwali, thank you. Here is again the pen stand, not basically the pen stand but I made it, I converted this into a pen stand. If you know what is this, yeah, money plant. Now this doesn't mean कि मेरे पास बहुत पैसा आ रहा है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रहा है. उसके बाद here are some of the books again. So this is how my study table looks like. ड्रॉर भी है जो कि मुझे लगता है मुझे नहीं दिखानी चाहिए, दिखा देती हूँ. So this is the drawer basically. ये कपड़ा to keep, क्योंकि ये स्माइल वाला कपड़ा मैं रखती हूँ because if I want to clean anything I can clean. Then here is this clutcher and rubber band things and stuff. उसके बाद here is this to-do list, and then there is my journal. हाँ, so these are basically the things. So this is my study table tour. Now this is how my life after boards is going on. मैं सिर्फ study table tour दे रही हूँ आप लोगों को. Anyways, yeah, this is how I'm feeling right now. This is how my life is going on. हाँ, मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, मैं शादियाँ अटेंड करती हूँ, and this is all what is going on. Yeah.